Just trying to open my Slim Jim.
Mm-hmm.
But it seems to be protected from nuclear war. Oh, yum.
Really?
It smells like bacon and dog food.
Maybe it is. Show us what you got. A twin pack Slim Jim. From Krystal.
Yeah. Certainly didn't come from here.
What is that?
Here we go.
There you go.
Is it supposed to be that oily?
Yeah, probably.
Oh, yum.
Really?
It smells like bacon and dog food. Yeah, smell it.
Oh, no, it does. It smells
Smells
like
Knox's food and
slimy or
and bacon
cabana or something.
and like smoky barbecue sauce.
Okay, my battery's running low, so you're gonna have to try it. What do you think of it?
I like it.
Is it soft?
I thought it'd be really tough. It's really
Yeah, it
squishy.
looks tough.
It's not.
Yeah, no, I can tell you, but it's like licorice sort of texture, is it?
I can feel my arteries clogging up as I eat it. There goes one. That's why they're in twin pack. Want to do one of them. Clog up one ventricle.
So, thumbs up verdict?
Ah, you could eat it with anything.
No.
Like you're supposed to dip it in dip.
No, I don't think so. I think it's just
I'd like to
supposed
dip
to be...
it in dip.
Probably
Like
could.
sweet chili sauce or something would be alright with it.
Yeah, you probably could do that. But
And beer.
it's probably meant to be eaten like what you're doing. Beer.
With beer.
It's probably meant to be eaten sort of the way you're eating it.
So I go to America and I just see people just walking around.
Well, is that what they do, Krystal? Do they just walk around eating these? You'll have to let us know.
They're big man lollipops. Sitting in the curb of a 7-Eleven. Car park of a 7-Eleven. I thought it'd be way more spicy than that.
Doesn't really talk about
In
spice.
Australia, we've got lots of South African people that move here. And they bring their sort of dried meats and sausages, and they're basically all just the hottest burn your mouth out stuff. And the meat's made with like ground up baboon or something. That's pretty commonly available, but stuff like this isn't. It's actually a bit of a novelty to have jerky. There's a specialty shop down in Brisbane which is called like Jerky Central, or like it's an actual specialty beef jerky shop, and I sent a picture of it to Hayden because he's such a man's man. He'll eat dried up meat, anything, as long as it's been killed, mutilated and hung up by a hook somewhere. It's a real specialty. I can't say that I've ever seen any beef jerky like that in a shop at all.
No, I haven't either.
If you went up to Coles or Woolies or something like that. Woolworths.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm going to have the other one tonight. And I think it will go well with my rum. What's left of my rum. And my drinking problem.
Bye.
Thank you.